আমি আৰু তিনি চাৰি মিনিট পিছত আৰম্ভ কৰিম আপুনি কমফৰ্টেবল আপোনাৰ যদি শুনাত কিবা অসুবিধা হৈছে কিবা
না না ঠিক আছে এতিয়া
ঠিক আছে ওকে
ঠিক আছে
परफेक्ट
अभी 2 मिनट है हमारे पास ना
हाँ जी सर
और हमारे बैकग्राउंड उसको बैकस्टेज कौन देख रहा है
बैकस्टेज सर
मींस जो टेक्निकली कौन देख रहा है टेक्निकल साइड को
I don't really know who is there. Anubhav workshop speaking.
Technically, तिवारी सर प्रणाम मैं रूपज्योति
प्रणाम
टेक्निकली निवेदिता देख रही है इस ग्रुप में
ओके गुड निवेदिता जरा चेहरा दिखा दीजिए
हेलो
sir, I am the technical volunteer.
Show your face.
Yes sir, उसका अभी फाइनली फेस दिख रहा है
अच्छा
थैंक यू निवेदिता
गुड नमस्ते वेरी नाइस सो कितना टाइम है शुरू करने में 1 मिनट
सर
Rupjyoti, are you the student volunteer or like the volunteer who is taking care of the students?
Actually, I'm the moderator of this group, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. That is good to know.
Yeah.
Hello.
Who is the moderator?
I am the moderator, sir. Rupjyoti.
Oh, Rupjyoti. Okay. Very
Yes,
nice. Very nice.
जी पारिजा जी आप कुछ कह रही थी
जी मैं बस परिचय दे रही थी मैं स्टूडेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर हूँ और आर्टिस्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर भी हूँ बस बताना था मुझे
जी बहुत धन्यवाद
जी
वेरी प्लीज टू नो तो ये इसके इंटरेक्शन के बाद यू विल टेक ओवर राइट
जी ओके सर गुड टू गो
ओके चल सकते हैं कैन वी स्टार्ट
I think
yes
so.
sir yes sir
नमस्कार स्पीक मेके के इस जो ऑनलाइन अनुभव कार्यक्रम में आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आज हम आपके सामने होत्रीय शास्त्रीय नृत्य है जो असम का उसके एक बहुत बड़े पुरोधा बहुत बड़े गुरु पद्मश्री से सम्मानित गुरु जतिन गोस्वामी जी से बातचीत करेंगे आपको जैसे पता है कि होत्रीय डांस असम का डांस फॉर्म है और क्योंकि ये भक्ति से जुड़ा रहा है मंदिरों में बहुत टाइम तक रहा है इसलिए पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म में आने में से थोड़ी देर लगी लेकिन गुरुजी ने इसको पब्लिक में लाने के लिए अपना बहुत बड़ा योगदान दिया है तो आज हम बात करेंगे गुरुजी से और गुरुजी से बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ अबू धाबी से पयस्विनी जो कि स्पीक मेके की बहुत ब्राइट और बहुत डेडिकेटेड वॉलंटियर हैं वो गुरुजी का परिचय देंगी और गुरुजी से वार्ता शुरू करेंगी पयस्विनी प्लीज टेक ओवर
Thank you, Tiwari sir, and namaskar, Jatin Goswami sir. It is a privilege to be with you today for this live interaction. Hello everyone, I am Payaswini Saikia from Speak Meke, Abu Dhabi. I'm here to welcome you all who have joined us today for this first day of Satriya workshop under the Speak Meke Anubhav 2020 series. And we are really happy to host this interaction with prominent Satriya Guru, Nrityacharya Jatin Goswami ji, who has constantly worked since 1960s towards developing, popularizing, and propagating the Satriya dance form in a global stage. Born in Assam in the Adhar Hotra in Dergaon in 1933, Guruji started his initial lessons in Satriya when he was just 7 years old from his father, late Dharanidhar Goswamiji. He received further training in Satriya from Gopiram Bayon and Babula Bayonji of Adhar Hotra. After a few years of learning Satriya, he went to Jaipur to learn Kathak and then to Manipur to learn Manipuri classical dance. Then he returned back to Assam and started intensive training in Satriya from 1962 onwards under the guidance of prominent Satriya gurus of that time, Moniram Datta Muktiar and Rokheswar Hoikia Borbayan. Since then, Guruji has presented Satriya in front of a vast global audience at different acclaimed stages. He has established many cultural centers at different parts of Assam. And it is interesting to note that he started with Alok Hilpi Hongko in Dergaon when he was just 20 years old. He has also authored many books like Mati Akhora, etc. And for his decades of hard work and valuable contribution towards preserving and nurturing Satriya, he has been honored with prestigious titles like Nrityacharya and Nritya Shiromani, and also prestigious and recognized with great awards like Padma Shri Sankaracharya Award, Sangeet Natak Academy Ratna Fellowship, and Kalidas Samman. Guruji, a warm welcome to you once again, and thank you so much for giving us this opportunity today to have a live interaction with you. Okay, Guruji, today is the first day of our Satriya workshop, and we have a lot of students who are eager to know about this 600-year-old tradition from Assam. So can you please tell us a bit about Satriya, the art form? Guruji, your voice is not coming. Apne mic to on koribo lagibo.
पैसुनी?
Yes, Tiwari sir.
हाँ, मैं कह रहा हूँ जब तक गुरुजी की आवाज आती है तब तक आप बात कर सकते हैं होत्रिया डांस के बारे में थोड़ी सी। गुरुजी का अभी भी लगता माइक बंद लग रहा है।
Okay, let me just instruct in Assamese just once. Baido, who is handling Nandita Goswami ma'am? আপুনি যদি স্ক্ৰিনটোত এবাৰ টাচ কৰে তেতিয়া লেফট সাইডে আপোনাৰ আহিব যেটো আপুনি ক্লিক কৰিলে গুৰুজী মাতটো হয়তো শুনিবলৈ পাম। নাই শুনা গুৰুজী?
अभी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
Guruji, we still can't hear you. I'm really sorry to disturb again. আপুনি আপোনাক যোনগৰাকী মানুহে হেল্প কৰি আছে তেখেতক এবাৰ যদি কৈ দিয়ে যে আপোনাৰ স্ক্ৰিনত এবাৰ টাচ কৰিব পাৰিলে তাত লেফট সাইডে এটা বাটন আহিব হেতুত এড কৰিলে আপুনি মাতটো শুনিবলৈ পাম। তাত মাইকৰ নিচিনা এটা বাটন থাকিব লেফট সাইডে।
अब मोबाइल में लेफ्ट साइड में नहीं होगी।
मोबाइल में कहाँ होगा सर?
मोबाइल में ऊपर कहीं से टच करना पड़ता है किसी को, जो जहाँ फोटो दिख रही है उसको टच करिए, ऊपर दिखाई देगा कहीं।
that is yeah. Sir, माइकत আপোনাৰ হেৰিটো আছে, আপোনাৰ ইয়েৰফোনৰ প্ৰবলেমটো নাই? আপোনাৰ স্ক্ৰীনখনত প্ৰব্লেমটো আছে আপুনি ইয়াৰফোনৰ এডাল যদি দিব পাৰে নাই মই আপোনাৰ মাতটো একদম শুনা নাই স্যাৰ
Hello.
हाँ
Hello.
आ गई आवाज
Hello. Hello.
गुरुजी
Yes, sir, we
प्रणाम
can
Hello.
hear you.
Hello.
जी आवाज आ रही है गुरुजी आवाज आ रही है प्रणाम
हाँ।
फिर से आपका स्वागत है प्रणाम स्वागत है आपका
आपका नाम प्रणाम
पयस्विनी जी पयस्विनी जी आपसे बात करेंगी
जी
पयस्विनी प्लीज
Sir, today is the
Ah.
first day of our workshop in Satriya. And there are lots of students with us today who would love to know about this 600-year-old cultural heritage from Assam.
Yeah.
So can you please tell us a bit about Satriya, the art form?
Satriya or Khatriya, this dance form introduced by Mahapurush Srimanta Shankaradeva in last part of 15th century. Shankaradeva, the great social reformer, religious reformer, and a poet, dramatist, musician, introduced this dance form in Assam to propagate his Vaishnava faith in Assam. Dance, drama, and music. This take as a medium to propagate his Vaishnava faith in Assam. And it is purely a dance form of Bhakti Rasa. And it is introduced in the last part of 15th century, Mahapurush Shankaradeva, and then his disciple Madhavdeva is developed, adding some new items here. It's a purely different type of classical dance form of Assam. And but what we have in our dance form, we have separate aharja, costume. We have different musical system. We have different training system. We have different style of hand gestures. We have different style of footworks. So we call that it is a different style of dance form. You see, Mahapurush Shankaradeva introduced this dance form in Satra. What is called Satra? Satra is a Vaishnava monastery, Vaishnava math. But there are two types of Satra in Assam. One is celibate and one is married. That means Grihasthi and Udas. तो जो celibate सत्र है उसी में उदास भक्त लोग celibate monks are living together. एंड जो मैरिड सत्र है उसमें जो क्षत्रिय डांस का प्रभाव कुछ कम है. जो सेलिब्रेट सत्र इकट्ठा रहता है मंक्स लोग तो उन लोग डेवलप करता है वो डांस फॉर्म एंड दे प्रैक्टिस डेली. एंड आई एम not from Udas Satra, not from celibate Satra. I am from Merit Satra, you see. I am from Merit Satra. So, but now the dance form which we are daily practiced, or which is called now Khatriya, it is purely from Kamalavari Satra. Kamalavari Satra, it is established by Bodula Padmata, disciple of Madhavdeva. And from this Kamalavari Satra, we are taking this Satriya dance to now to the proscenium theater, you see. Satriya dance, the first lesson of the Satriya dance is called Mati Akhara. That means ground exercise. We have 64 kind of grounds exercise. And in this 64 ground exercise, there are two parts. One is purely it is exercise. And second part is not exercise, but a part of some dance forms. The first lesson of the Mati Akhara is called Khosoka. Khosoka is the first lesson, Khosoka. Then Ora. There are two types of Ora, one female Ora and one male Ora. This is the speciality of our dance form, and the standing position, stance position of the dance form is different from male to female. In other dance form of India, there is no difference. But in our Khatriya, male stance position is alag and female dance position, stance position is alag. And this is called female Ora. It is Ora for female in front side. And it is for male Ora. It is for male. There are also two turning, one female turning and one male turning, which is called Purush Pak. Pak means turning, Bhramari. It is like this, it is female turning, and you take it, it's a male turning. This, you see, this is a speciality in Khatriya dance, that we have different type of male and female turning, male and female stance position. Sthan, it's called a sthan. Then, after the Mati Akhara, the second lesson is called Nadu Bhangi. Originally, in our training of Mati Akhara, no music was there. No nad was there. But after Mati Akhara, the second lesson is called Nadu Bhangi. Nad o Bhangi. That means music and Bhangi. Music and Bhangi. Nad o Bhangi. Second lesson is Nadu Bhangi. Nadu Bhangi is two parts in the Nadu Bhangi. One is called, first part is Ramdani, it's a pure dance. Second is called Gitornas. In different talas, we present this Nadu Bhangi. Then Nadu Bhangi, the Jumuranas. And in this way, we proceed in our training system. And at last, it is drama. Mahapurush Shankardeva introduced horse dance in Sihna Jatra. Sihna Jatra. It is a performance of Bhavana, but we have lost the script. We have lost the script of Sihna Jatra. There is no any script of Sihna Jatra. And after that Sihna Jatra, Mahapurush Shankardeva wrote 6 dramas, which is called now Ankiya Nath. But in that time, the time of Shankardeva, it was not called Ankiya Nath. It was called Anko Jatra, like this. But after Shankardeva, it is called Ankiya Nath. We have 6 Ankiya Nath, that is Patni Prasad, Rukmini Haran, Parijat Haran, Kedi Gopal, Kali Daman, and Ram Vijay. And all Mahapurush Shankardeva introduced first in the Sihna Jatra in the 1468 AD. And from Sihna Jatra, it is going on till today. And it is a purely a ritual part of worship in our Satra. Till today, it's a part of worship in Satra. But those are practicing Satriya dance, we are taking it from the Satra to the Proscenium theater. You see? And there are many Satra, but from Satra, it is first taking it from the Satra for the first time Mahapurukh Dr. Maharshi Nayak in 1958. 1958, he take this dance form from the Kamalabari Satra and performed in the National Seminar at Delhi from Kamalabari Satra. But before that Kamalabari Satra, some other Satra also performed in such a dance in different places. But Kamalabari Satra style, it is performed in 1958 in the National Seminar of Delhi. And from that, in 1958, from that seminar, it is recognized for the Sangeetatak Academy Award. And for the first time in 1963, Moniram Datta Mukhtiyar received Academy Award. But from 1963, we demand for its recognition as a classical dance form. But maybe it is maybe our fault. In proper time, in proper way, we could not place our demand in proper place. That may be. But in the 2000, Sangeetatak Academy recognized it is as a major dance form of India. You see, Sangeetatak Academy never used the word classical. Sangeetatak Academy never used the word classical. They called it as a major dance form of India. And after that, the Department of Culture, it is recognized as a classical dance form. Now, we are taking it from the Satra platform to a proscenium theatre. It is in Satra, it is a part of worship, it's a part of ritual, and we are taking it as a performing art. We have to compromise in many ways. You see, Kshatriya dance is a purely male-dominated dance form, purely male-dominated dance form in Kshatriya. But now, beyond the Kshatriya, it is a female-dominated dance form. Now, it is going to be female-dominated. In Kshatriya, it's purely male-dominated, and beyond the Kshatriya, it is purely female-dominated. Now it is going to be female-dominated dance form. You see, and we have to compromise in many ways. Such as first, it is costume. In Kshatriya, when male dancers use those costumes, aharja, it is not possible to wear by the female artist. So we have to send some costumes for the female artist here. And the style of presentation also. It was, you see, in Kshatriya, it was not so prominent of Abhinaya. It was not so prominent. Now we are going to place it, giving stress in Abhinaya, and Ekaharja. Ekaharja. In Kshatriya, there are every dance numbers have different dress, different costume. But now we are going to change it, and one dress we have to perform one by one different dance styles, different dance numbers in our platform. Now it is Kshatriya dance it is recognized by the Dibrugarh University, it is recognized by the Shankardev University, and they have opened the class in the BA class, MA class like this, you see. And it is, we think that now all the people will take, particularly the Assam students will take it as a part of lifestyle, you see. And what is different in music? In music, we have a different style of music, different type of talo system. There are two, all of you know that there are two type of music system in India. One in the Hindustani music, other is Karnataki music. In Hindustani music, there are some similarity to the name of the talo and raga, but talo system is quite different. Suppose each talo. In Hindustani system, it is a 12 matra, but we have 6 matra, we have 8 matra, and the sum, which is called Hindustani music sum. The first study is called sum in Hindustani music. That is a dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha, ta, thei, tata, thei, a, thei, tata, thei, thei, ta, thei, ta, thei, 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 tat, tat, dha, dhin. First study is sum. But in our Kshatriya system, last study is sum. Last study is sum. Thei, jin tak chalenga tak, thei, jin tak chalenga tak, thei, jin tak chalenga tak, thei, dhina, kita, dhina, tak, thei, tak, tak, dhin, tak, dhei. Last study is sum. So it is some different. And in the raga system also, some different. So we have different music, we have different talo system, we have different costume, and we have some different of the hand gestures. You see, hand language of finger. All people of the world, it is understand the language of finger. But we have used those hand gestures. It is some different from the Natya Shastra, different from the Abhinaya Darpana. And we have some our own hastas in our Kshatriya dance form. And main hand gesture is called Zumura, Muzura. Muzura, this is called Muzura. This is called Muzura, it means pranam. It is called pranam. And we have some different hand gestures. Now we are going to follow those we have not in our system. We are taking from it Shrestha Muktabadi. Shrestha Muktabadi written by Shubhankar, Kavi Shubhankar. And we are taking some hastas, the Shrestha Muktabadi. Shrestha Muktabadi, you see, in Natya Shastra, in Abhinaya Darpana, there is no any direction how to use the hastas, how to use the hasta. Third is it is Jal, it is Jagat, it is Chandra, it is Surya. But how to use? But in Shrestha Muktabadi, there is details how to use the hastas, how you will place hasta from left to right. Only in Shrestha Muktabadi it is described there. And we have some special hastas. Third is Krishna. It is Krishna. It is Krishna in our Kshatriya. Raja, that is king. It is king. Surja, it is Surja. We have some special hand gestures. And there we have some also different type of footwork, which is in our Kshatriya form is called Bhoriman. Bhoriman. Bhori means leg, man means measurement. Bhori means leg and man means measurement. And when we play the khol, the timing of the khol, which is called tala, is when we give the steps, bhori, that is called bhoriman. Bhori means leg, man means measurement. खोल का बजना का मेजरमेंट में जो पाव देता है, that is called Bhoriman.
Mhm.
We have different type of Bhoriman in our system. And these are the specialty of our dance form. And you see, after the recognition in 2015 November, after recognition, now the Satriya is going on. पहले असम में इतना outside Satra, it was not so popular. But after the recognition, in every, not on the town, in village also, all students are going to learn Satriya now. And it is very, I think, it's a very good sign for our Satriyanas.
That is
Very
great.
good sign for Satriya. I think so.
बहुत
And,
अच्छा बताया जी।
I hope that in future, it is a bright future for Satriya dance.
Yes, sir.
Any
We
more?
hope. It's
Any
really
more?
nice.
Eh?
It's
Hello?
really nice to know about this from you. Both
Yeah.
the Satriya technicalities and also about the history, how like Honkadeva and also Hotra. Especially actually, sir, even Hotra that we know of where you were actually born and you were raised in a Hotra. And Hotra, it was really nice to hear about Hotra from you because we don't know about Hotra properly, especially outside Assam. It's very like there are very few people who know about it. So because you have been raised in this unique and beautiful experience, do you have any stories to share of about the life in Hotra, like about the culture or the Guru Shishya Parampara in Hotra? Any stories from your childhood that you remember?
You see, I have told you already that there are two types of Satra here. Two types of Satra. The one is celibate Satra and one is married Satra. You see, now we are in the risk of it is Corona pandemic. Now we are saying about the social distance. Now you see, in our Satra, from the time of Shankaradeva or some time of Madhavadeva, we are maintaining social distance, you see. from the 15th century, we are maintaining social distance. And from that time, we have to sanitize. When we are coming from outside, we have to sanitize our hands and legs outside our boha, which is called in the room, that is room. Without taking sanitization, our hands and legs, we never allowed to enter our room. It is in our Satra style. And we are maintaining social distance in our Satra till today.
Wow.
And you see, in our marriage Satra, particularly for myself, मैं जब 6 years, 7 years like this, you see, in our Satra, at the time of Shravan Mahina mein, we have to gather after, it is called Godhula Prahang. That means, what is Godhula Prahang? Singing of the evening, prayer of the evening prayer. After evening prayer, we have to beat drum. That is called doba. After beating the drum with doba, then all the young boys are coming to the Namghar, that is prayer hall. And you see, we are not called Mandir. We are called Namghar or Kirtan Ghar. We have no Mandir. We are not called Mandir. We call Namghar, a prayer ghar. And all of you know that is community prayer. In our Satra, community prayer. Community prayer with clapping. which is most essential. It's a part of yoga now. Now it is called a part of yoga.
Yes.
This is clapping. Well, community prayer with the clapping. It developed the immunity of the health.
क्या बात है
Immunity of the health. And after that Gurdwara Pratham, we gathered in the Damghar and we start our training, Matiya Khara and other dance forms. When I was in the 66, 7 years like this, you see. And we have to perform it in our Satra at the time, at the Bhadra Mahina, the date anniversary of Shankardevo, Madhadevo, and the Janmashtami. We have to perform in different type of dances, like Baharna. In our Satra, we have no Nadubhangi. We have no Chadi dance, but we have Krishnanas, Sutradharinas, and Baharnas, like this, you see. But only Kamalabari Satra is rich with this dance form. When I met first time my Guru Rukhasra Hoika Barabayan, he introduced me with the great treasure of dance of the Kamalabari Satra in 1962. Kamalabari Satra has a very big treasure of Satriya dance items, you see. And from that, you see, when I dance at the age of 7, 8, 9, 10, like this, after that, I went to Jaipur.
Yes.
At that time was, you see, at that time, Satriya was not so popular. And that was our thinking that it may not be a popular dance form, you see. And I was not, I have not seen the great treasure of Satriya form of Kamalabari Satra. Then I went to learn Kathak. After training 1 year and 4 months there, I returned to Assam again and went to know about Manipuri dance. What is Manipuri? But I'm not satisfied with that Manipuri dance form. We have some similarity of Satriya with Manipuri dance, and returned to Assam. And at that time, my another guru, Vishnu Prasad Rava, who is a great scholar, he advised me to take some training in Kamalabari Satra, and he advised me to take a Bhorabayan from Kamalabari Satra and arrange a Bhavana, Ankiya Bhavana, to present in different parts of the our state. So I went to Kamalabari Satra and met Rukhasra Hoika Bhorabayan and our great guru, that is Maniram Datta Mukhtiyar. You see, he is the main guru, Maniram Datta Mukhtiyar. Or we are all the artists of Assam, Satriya artists of Assam. We are all very, अब तो क्या कहूँ उसको आभारी हूँ मनिराम दत्त मुखियार और Rukhasra Hoika Bhorabayan. And then I start with our Vishnu Prasad Rava at Tinsukia, and they arranged one bhavana to Rukmini Haran. And from that Rukmini Haran, Rukhasra Hoika Bhorabayan then told me that you will come to the Satra and see what we have in our Satriya dance form. Then I went to Kamalabari Satra, and but you see, though I am now 87, but I know nothing about Satriya. Very little. So big treasure here there, vast. But I am taking a drop from a ocean. I am taking a drop from the ocean, you see, like this. I think in future, there will be artists who will be able to take these art from Kamalabari Satraphar and you improvise it and you present before the public of not only in Assam but in the India, but in the front of the world. I think so.
So it's really nice to know about Kamalabari Hatra and the fact that before you went to Kamalabari Hatra, you actually thought that maybe because Kathak is more popular and it has a rich history, you might want to go to Jaipur so far at that time and learn Kathak there. So these different dance forms that you learned, sir, both Kathak and Manipuri dance, has it helped you in a way to, like, how has it influence you to understand Satriya more? And have you used those dance forms later for different other things like the dance dramas that you did?
You see, Kathak and Manipuri. Manipuri not helped me in future, but Kathak helped me. Kathak helped me. Kathak helped me. You see, the Tala system, the mathematical Tala system of Kathak style is very helpful for me in our Khatriya, you see. Which I have said, who has given to you the dha, dhin, dha, it is a Kathak. Yeah, actually, there is no any Tala system in Khatriya style like this. We are not. We have only know in Khatriya Tal and Man. Tal and Man. Tal means Tali, Man means Khali. Khali bhi, we are not using the word Khali. Tal and Man. No Matra. We have know nothing about the Matra. Till today, the Khatriya, from the proper Khatriya artists, nobody can say what is called Matra. Till today. But this counting system, I have learned from the Kathak, you see. And the style of presentation, stage performance, what is called stage performance. It is all I learned from the Kathak style. It is helped me.
Yeah, that is a very important point that you said, because Hotriya dance, as you also say, it was mainly performed in the Hotro by the monks, as we call Bhakots, for salvation for 600 years. Now you present it to the stage. So when you go to the stage, for example, do you try to connect with the audience or to communicate with the audience? And if yes, then how do you keep this bhakti bhav of Hotriya intact? How do you keep that alive?
You see, bhakti, there are 9 bhakti in our Shastra, in Bhagavata. That is, Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam, Padasevanam, Arsanam, Bandhanam, Dasyam, Sakham, and Atmanivedanam. It is called Navadha Bhakti. And Shankardeva giving importance Shravan and Kirtan. Shravan and Kirtan. Sono aur Kirtan karo. Acha. Shravan and Kirtan. So he in his drama हो सकता है लड़ाई हो गया है, उसका डिफरेंट ये हो गया, जितना एपिसोड हो गया, लेकिन लास्ट में क्या है, निरंतरे हरि बोलो, शेष में हरि बोलो, सब हो गया, अभी बोलो सब में लास्ट में को ही सेड दैट लास्ट यू टेक द नेम ऑफ हरि, निरंतरे हरि बोलो. So it is the bhakti. And in our dance performance, you see, when we, in our all dance forms, dance numbers. When we start from the stance position, we giving it is Jin Hak. That means it is Arpan Hasta. Arpan. We are giving this is Hriday Padma, lotus of the heart. We are offering to your God. Lotus of the heart we are offering to you at the feet of our God. It is when we perform all dance numbers, it is first. Then we present like this, you see, Jin Hak, Jin Hak, Jin Hak. In our Satra, it is open for four sides. At the front, we have our that is called Bhagavata. We have no any in our Satra. We have no any deity. You see, in our this Vaishnava Satra, we have no that Bhagavata. Bhagavata is our God, and we first offer like Jin Hak Pranam. Then both sides we have some bhaktas there. It is Jin Hak, Jin Hak. It is a first our bhakti rasa we offered Jin Hak to the feet of our God from our heart lotus. Then we offer a pranam to the bhaktas, that to the Bhagavata. And at the last, every dance, at the last, which I call Nirantare Hari Bola Hari Bola. At last, you take the name of God. That is our bhakti rasa. And we have, you see, we have, which is called philosophy. What is the philosophy of Kshatriya dance form? There are, all of you know, the Sara Darshan. In our Indian philosophy, we have Sara Darshan, 6 darshan. That is Nyaya, Mimamsa, Sankhya, Vedanta, Yoga, and Vaisashika. We are in Vedanta Darshan. We are in Vedanta Darshan, one God, Advaitavad. Advaitavad, यही है शंकरदेव का philosophy. And so we cannot perform, you see, in through our if we maintain our Advaitavad, if we maintain our philosophy, that is, we never perform the what is called the stuti of Ganesha, stuti of Lakshmi, stuti of Durga, stuti of Kali. We cannot perform. We have no in our literature such kind of stuti, you see. And so we are in Kshatriya with Vishnu and Krishna. Krishna is the Vishnu. We are all with the Lord Krishna and Vishnu. We already prayer. We pray in our dance form with to the Lord Krishna and Vishnu, not order, according to our philosophy.
Yeah.
गुरुजी एक अभी ऐसा जिज्ञासा होती है कि होत्रिया डांस में डीटी है वो विष्णु है
जी।
तो आज के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, कंटेम्परेरी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, क्या होत्रिया डांस को पेश किया जा सकता है, प्रस्तुत किया जा सकता है नई थीम लेके?
हाँ हाँ, क्यों नहीं, क्यों नहीं। You see, न्यू थीम लेके, कंटेम्पोरेरी कोई सब्जेक्ट लेके, we can perform. Why not?
जी जी जी।
We can perform contemporary subject लेके, we can perform Kshatriya. You see, we performed the Chandalika. Gurudev Rabindranath Chandalika we performed in Kshatriya style. With contemporary subject also we can perform in Kshatriya style. Why not?
तो उसमें गुरुजी भक्ति तो एक तरफ हो जाती है, फिर जो उसकी आत्मा है होत्रिया डांस की भक्ति, तो जब कंटेम्प्रेरी थीम करते हैं तो उससे तो हटना पड़ता होगा ना?
ना बात यही है, that is not
जी।
Satriya. If we perform in the contemporary subject in our Satriya style, that is not pure Satriya. That is not pure
हम्म,
Satriya.
हम्म,
That is a program item. It is composed on Satriya style, but it is not a Satriya dance.
जी जी, ये बात है। जी
जी,
जी जी।
we can
वैष्णवी।
we can compose any subject, but that is
हम्म,
not Satriya. It is composed on Satriya
जी जी।
style.
हम्म,
Composed on
जी जी
Satriya
जी।
style. Then
Hmm.
we have performed Rabindranath Thakur Chandadika in our Satriya
हम्म,
side. That is not Satriya dance. It is composed on
हम्म,
Satriya side.
Hmm. That is interesting to know, sir. Also, Goswami ji, sir, you told us that you hope that the present generation and the generations to come will take this Satriya dance to other global platform.
Yeah.
But actually, even you have done this a lot of time. Like 45 years ago, you went to Nepal, taking a group of Satriya dancers from
Yeah.
Assam to a completely different language, and it was a different setup, different country in a foreign land, and you had great success. So can
Yeah.
you tell us your experience of that? Because that you did that when technology was not so easily available. Like we now have internet on phone and it's easy to do these things. So what was your experience like that, going to foreign land and doing Satriya?
You see, Bhakta Bahadur Kotwal, he was in Digboi in Assam. He was a very great poet of Nepali language. He was a royal poet in Kathmandu. He take this opportunity. He gave me this opportunity, and he, with a group, he lead this my group to the Nepal, and I performed in the Birganj and in Kathmandu. In Kathmandu, when I performed, you see, all of you know there all Nepalis are very Ram Bhakt hota hai. उन लोग का राम भक्त बहुत होता है. So I performed there the Sita Haran in our Khatriya style. There Sita Haran we performed, and it is inaugurated by the then cultural minister of the Nepal, Jog Mehar Srastha. Yog Mehar Srastha, he inaugurated our program. And interestingly, the king at that time was, I think, Mohendra, King Mohendra, and Rani Ratna. They invited me to perform in only that Sitaharan item, the royal court.
Wow.
It was very interesting, and it is. I think it was a very successful program at that time. Very successful program at that time, and you see, they are the Nepalese people are very राम भक्त होता है उन लोग का और दे आर वेरी उसको क्या कहेगा हैं तो हिंदुज़म के लिए दे आर बहुत ये है तो इसलिए when I presented there the Sitaharan, it was very popular there. And you see in our group, Anju Devi, one that is Nepali, Darki. She was in Assam. It is Nepali means she was born in Nepali family, but pure Assamese. And she performed there one song, you see, the Bhupen Hazarika, that is called from Sameli Memsap, Sampa Huino Mero Nam Samedi in Nepali language. Sampa Huino, Sampa no Hoy Monam Samedi in Assamese, in Nepali me, Champa Huino Mero Nam Samedi. It is very popular in Nepal, in Kathmandu at that time. You see, But it was in 1975. 1975 it was. But now Satra is not in that position, you see. Now it is बहुत आगे बढ़ गया सत्रिया.
Of course, yes.
एंड एक बात है कि जितना हिंदुस्तान का जितना डांस फॉर्म है सब तो बहुत आगे है, अभी बहुत आगे है. 20 years, before 20 years, for today Kathak, before 20 years that was not at that time. तो ओडिसी ऐसा, भरतनाट्यम भी ऐसा है, सबका बहुत आगे नया चीज निकल गया है. खत्रिया भी ऐसा है. But we are lagging behind more than 25 to 30 years, you see, because we are getting recognition. It is very late, too late. तो हम लोग we are lagging behind, you see.
लेकिन गुरुजी जो होत्रिया का और दूसरे डांस फॉर्म में देखिए तो अभी भी बहुत ज्यादा एलिगेंट और बहुत ज्यादा सुकून देने वाला, शांति देने वाला लगता है और डांस फॉर्म से. तो क्या जो अभी आपने बताया कि भरत मुनि का जो नाट्य शास्त्र है या दूसरे उनसे प्रभावित नहीं है, इसकी कोई अपनी ग्रामर की वजह से भी कुछ ऐसा होगा?
एक बात है, देखिए, हिंदुस्तान का जितना डांस फॉर्म है सबका तो नाट्य शास्त्र से प्रभावित है. जितना डांस फॉर्म है नाट्य शास्त्र से प्रभावित है. आई ओंट थिंक दैट Sankara is out from that, you see. So I think Shankaradeva introduced this dance form taking some elements from Natya Shastra, taking some elements from local local system of local folk dance systems of Assam, and a part from his intelligent creative mind. ये लेके शंकरदेव ने शास्त्रीय डांस क्रिएट करता था. आई थिंक सो.
जी
आई थिंक सो.
जी बिल्कुल.
ऐसा नहीं है कि शंकरदेव आकाश से वो ले आया है. शंकरदेव he is taking from sky. I don't think like this is. हिंदुस्तान के जितना डांस फॉर्म जैसे प्रभावित है
जी
नाट्य शास्त्र का, इससे प्रभाव शास्त्रीय डांस में भी है. But you see, if we all follow the Natya Shastra, if we all follow, then what is the difference? What would be the difference between the different dance forms? तो सब एक ही हो जाएगा.
वो भी सही है.
जी बिल्कुल.
स्पेशलिटी है, उसमें लोकल एलिमेंट्स है, उसका अपना जो क्रिएटिव माइंड है उसका भी उसका एड हुआ है. ऐसे तो क्रिएट होता है.
जी.
Guruji, your time is valuable, so we cannot keep you for longer probably, but it's so interesting to speak with you that it does not feel like कि 1 घंटा almost होने को आ गया है. We can keep on speaking with you for days, sir. You have so many experience and so much of things to share. It's really nice. But before we end today, sir, it would be very nice for us, the Speakmakey volunteers and the students who are coming with us here today, to hear from you some message that you have, especially people who want to take Satriya professionally, or all the other people who love Satriya. Do you have any message or anything that you want to convey to us today? Guruji, can you hear us? আপনি শুনিব পাৰিছে নেকি বাৰ মাতটো? I'm scared we lost the connection of Guruji.
ऐसा लगता है, लेकिन बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग बात सुनने को मिली गुरुजी से. पहले सुनी.
Yes, sir.
खासतौर से दूसरे डांस फॉर्म से क्या फ़र्क है, मुद्राएं भी अलग, और ख़ासतौर से जो स्टेंसेस खड़े होने के डांस के होते हैं वो भी दूसरे डांस फॉर्म में लेडीज़ और जेंट्स के होते हैं, ये भी नई जानकारी हम लोगों को मिली। और गुरुजी अगर हमारी आवाज़ अगर पहुंच जाए उनसे, दोबारा हम सुनना चाहते हैं कम से कम जाते जाते, और आपके सवाल के जवाब भी हो जाए तो अच्छा था। अगर कोई उनसे कनेक्शन हो सकता हो तब तक देखा जा सकता है पर्सनली नंदिता जी से बात करके।
I'll tell, just give me 1 minute.
जी। और ये जो अब इसके बाद होत्री डांस का वर्कशॉप होगा, इंटेंसिव होगा, उसमें जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने इसको ऑप्ट किया हुआ है वो गुरुजी से और सारी जानकारियां पाएंगे डांस फॉर्म के बारे में। अभी जो जानकारी मिली है वो ओवरऑल जनरल जानकारी हम लोगों ने पाई है होत्री डांस के बारे में। और जैसा कि हम लोग जानते हैं कि जिस तरह का डांस फॉर्म है आगे चल के, अभी शास्त्रीय नृत्य कहा जाता है, आगे चल के पक्के तौर पे बहुत अच्छी तरह से जाना जाएगा। लगता है गुरुजी से कनेक्शन हो रहा है क्या?
I think Guruji is back, but I'm not sure if we can properly connect or not. He just messaged saying that in the name of Nandita Goswami he should be here, but I think he can't hear us yet. But it's beautiful, the base of knowledge that we got today. And for the rest of the 5 days, I'm sure that we already have so many questions to ask the different gurus who will be coming for the live interaction with us. We can't connect to Goswami sir. Yes, Goswami.
गुरुजी आप बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा, और हम लोग ये चाहते थे आपसे बात करते रहें। अगर हमारे पास वक्त होता तो अभी 1 आध घंटा और बात करते, लेकिन क्योंकि अभी अगला सेशन होना है और आपसे इतनी जानकारी मिली है कि मेरे ख्याल से ये जितने भी सुनने वाले होंगे उनको होत्रीय डांस के बारे में और उसके फ्यूचर के बारे में बहुत सारी उम्मीदें भी बनी होंगी। आपने हमें इतना कीमती टाइम दिया, हमारे बीच आए, टाइम निकाला, हम आपके बहुत बहुत आभारी हैं, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कहते हैं। और इसी तरह से आप हमारे ऊपर कृपा बनाए रखेंगे, आशीर्वाद देते रहेंगे। स्पीक मेकी की तरफ से, पयस्विनी की तरफ से, डॉक्टर किरण सेठ जी की तरफ से हम आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कहते हैं। हम धन्यवाद कहते हैं पयस्विनी जी को भी कि उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरह से आपसे बातचीत करके और हमें बहुत अच्छी जानकारियां दिलाई।
धन्यवाद।
हमारे जो
Okay, I think Guruji probably left now. It was a beautiful discussion. Thank you so much, everyone who attended this, and also Tiwari sir for your guidance. So I think sorry. So the workshop I hope will be starting now, probably.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.